Okay, let's dive into this awesome community for data fans right in Rome.
So, have you ever wanted to learn the R programming language?
And maybe you're looking for a cool group of people to learn with.
Well, meet Our Ladies Rome. It's the local chapter of a huge global organization.
Their main goal, to really push for gender diversity in the R community.
So who's it for? Basically, everyone. It's a super inclusive and safe space.
And it doesn't matter if you're just starting out or you're already a pro.
So, what do they actually do? Let's get into what this community offers. It's all about learning together, mentoring, networking, and leveling up your data skills. A big part of that is hosting workshops on all sorts of topics. For example, you can master data visualization skills using ggplot2.
Or dive into something like health analytics, from the basics to advanced stuff. They even get into really cutting-edge topics, like machine learning in fintech.
And you'd be in good company. They have over 2,500 members on Meetup alone.
You can see their community is really strong and growing across different platforms. And yeah, this is a really active group. They've got events happening all the time.
In fact, their next workshop is on Git and GitHub, and no experience is needed.
So you're probably wondering how you can jump in and get involved, right?
It's pretty easy. You can find them on Meetup, follow them on LinkedIn, or check out GitHub. Oh, and maybe the best part? It costs absolutely nothing to join and participate.
So, with a community like this, the only real question is, what will you learn next?